What a beautiful day to help someone. Let's water the plants together. Oops, I hope they like a shower. Hey, Lily, what are you doing? I'd love to help. Can I also plant some seeds? What kind of flowers are we planting, Mr. Thompson? A very helpful dirt monster. It looks wonderful. Thank you both. What was that? Let's help. That's the Johnsons. They could use some help. Here you go, Mrs. Johnson. Helping feels great. Kindness is the best superpower. What should we do tomorrow? Thank you for letting us help. Tomorrow we'll continue spreading kindness. Remember, being kind creates a beautiful neighborhood. Let's spread kindness.